Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Hey guys, today I'm just going to go over a few things that I decided to do to help my beard grow. When I first decided I was going to grow a beard, I was kind of hesitant. I was kind of worried, concerned that I wouldn't be able to grow an actual beard and get it to fill in. So, I looked up online and found a couple of things that supposedly help your beard grow. So, one, I bought some biotin. I just went to Walmart and bought some generic biotin. And my wife actually bought me a derma roller. I believe it's a 0.5 millimeter derma roller, supposed to help with hair growth. So off and on, I've been using those, whenever I feel like it, just to help it grow. And I have to say that so far it's been doing good. Now, has it actually helped my beard grow? It seems like it. It seems like my beard's growing a lot better now than it has ever before, faster. But I can't be certain. Is it the biotin? Is it the derma roller? Again, I'm not quite sure because I've been doing both pretty much equally. So, both of them seem to be helping somewhat, but to the degree, I'm not sure. But neither one of them really have any bad side effects, nor do they hurt. So there's actually no risk of doing it regardless. So I see it as a win-win. So yeah, that's what I've been using so far. It seems to be working. I have no complaints. Pills, I just take it before I go to bed, and that's it for the biotin. And with the derma roller, they say to wherever you want to use it, do it 10 times each direction, up and down, side to side, diagonal. I usually do right here where my hair grows less, and right in here. Now, I'm starting to see the hairs growing right here, so I assume that's partially due to this, hopefully. Now, I have fairly oily skin to start with, so as far as beard oil goes, I usually only apply it like once a day, maybe in the morning, and then once at night right before I go to bed, just to keep it nice and soft and moisturized. But other than that, I don't really need much products. I spend most of the time brushing it, just because it feels good, honestly. But other than that, there's not much left to what I'm doing now. Now, as it gets longer, I'll probably start using more and more products and, trying to get it to form the way I want to. But we'll see how that goes when we get there. And if you find yourself enjoying this content and like to see more, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and drop a like. I'd appreciate it greatly. And with that being said, have a great day. Hey guys, and if you, God damn it, hold on. Come on, just do it. Hit the like button, subscribe. Come on, don't be a baby.